Welcome to the Color Coded Chef. Today we're going to do a diamond napkin fold. First, you lay your napkin down in front of you. Then we're going to grab the top corners and we're going to pull that towards you so that the open end is towards you. Step 3, we're going to fold the right side over to the left. Step 4, we're going to take the topmost layer of the napkin and we're going to fold it diagonally up to the top left corner. Turn your instructions over. Step 5, we're going to take the next layer of the napkin and we're going to fold it to the left, stopping slightly before the last fold. So you don't take it all the way to the top. Bring it to here. Step 6, we're going to do the same thing. And step 7, the same thing. Now we're going to orient it this way in step 8. And we're going to fold the edges under. And that is how you make a diamond napkin fold. Thank you for joining us today on the Color Coded Chef.